Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with WowAfrican again. It's the same packaging as before. I absolutely love this box always because it's just such a classical design and it's really nice. So I got the drawstring bag with the wig and I'm just going through everything that I got in today's package. I got this thank you card. All right. WowAfrican is always so professional and everything is always so well presented. So that's one thing I can't take from them. I got a rat tail comb, which is branded, a edge brush and comb. I got this little drawstring bag with a pair of HD wig caps, which always come in so handy. And then I got two of these clips, which you can use while styling your wig or whatever. They are very convenient as well. I always collect these and kind of just save them up for, you know, when I decide I want to do like, you know, style my hair. So this is the wig that we got today. Is a highlighted silky straight HD lace 9x6 pre-everything wear angle wig, and it's glueless. So I'm showing you guys there where there's a little curve to accommodate the ears. The combs on the inside are like that too. They're attached by Velcro, so you know they're removable, and it has non-slip silicone strips around the perimeter of the cap for security. It also has this drawstring in the back like the previous WowAfrican wigs that I show you guys. So this you can use to further adjust the wig to the size of your head so it stays very snugged. Absolutely love this kind of construction. By the way, the lace is also bleached, so everything comes off more scalp like, and the hairline is pre-plucked. The color job looks beautiful. It looks thoroughly done, and it was flat. So we're gonna get into all of that. As you can see, I went ahead and drew it on. I'm just showing you guys how I'm adjusting the string in the back. See, very straightforward, very to the point, easy peasy. I go ahead and I tuck the string away beneath the cap, if you guys are wondering. So I was just testing how stable it is on my head, and you see it's pretty stable. That's what I tell you. You don't have to worry about all of that because they make it so secure. So WowAfrican definitely know what they're doing. I went ahead and I cut away any bit of lace that I see that doesn't have any hair on it in the very front, just to minimize the castiness. You can see that little hint of white, and I'll further go ahead and erase that by using some of my face powder. All right, and that's what I'm doing right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna just play some music over this while I continue to erase this castiness.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm feeling big to you. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were darling. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now about what you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Okay, so now I'm just pretty much kind of showing you guys that you could part this within the portions that have lace, and you could get a nice type of, you could style it any way you want because it's a large lace space that you have to work with. You could go ahead and give it a side part. You could keep the center part, and I opted to keep the center part. You know, it's really convenient to style. They already customized it so well, so it's perfect for my beginners. But you see, you could pretty much give it parts right throughout the lace area, and yeah, it looks pretty good, very realistic. So after I decided that okay, this is what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep the center part, I pretty much just kind of tried to perfect that, and then I further went on in with my hot comb. I did actually apply some wax stick. I don't know what happened to that footage. I think it got damaged when I was applying the wax to it, but that's what's on the very top of my head right there, and I'm just using my hot comb. You guys know the drill to get it really nice and flat and realistic looking. I must tell you guys, this wig, this bob today is so full. Also, I have to say, I think this bob is perfect for the summertime. The color job plus the length is just super convenient. You know, you don't have to worry about any adhesive because it's glueless, so you don't need none of that extra stuff. You know, it will look so beautiful on your head, and I 10 out of 10 recommend it, okay, if you're looking for some very convenient and that looks good. So now I went ahead and I opted to go ahead and get the hair very nice and bone straight right throughout with my flat iron. So let's just continue to do this.
I can hear your silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on and fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Alright, so now I'm completed with flat ironing the entire wig. The movement is absolutely beautiful. I told you guys how full this wig is. It is stunning. Yeah, so I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. Please go ahead and check that out, guys, if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself. Shout out to WowAfrican once more. All the specifications are listed. That's it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.